Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins pumping front, left, and center. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has gotten to as high as $82,000. Bitcoin currently trades below the $80,000 level. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market got to as high as 61.3%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is below the 61% region. Hopefully, over the next few days and the next few weeks, we'll see that decline for Bitcoin dominance that we have been expecting. We'll take a look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The fear and greed indexes were back to fear right now. News stories going around the market. Bitcoin falls under 80K, but 4 months high in weekly BTC ETF inflows make up selling. The market is divided. The bulls and the bears can agree where we're heading to. The bulls believe we're pumping to the moon. The bears believe there's one more leg down. What's next for the cryptocurrency market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. The last week has seen all coins pumping front, left, and center. If you held Ton, Zcash, ICP, Dash, Sky AI, they've been having a good time. But guys, we're still waiting for the big pump. We're waiting for that big pump when all coins are going to go crazy. We're waiting for that big pump when Bitcoin dominance is going to fall. Historically, the end of the market cycle sees Bitcoin dominance dumping, and that's where the main pump starts. We saw similar price action in 2020, entering 2021. Bitcoin dominance had already gone to as high as 72% in September of 2019. Then we had this period in time, the cryptocurrency market, where all coins are not pumping, basically just Bitcoin having a great time till we got to September of 2020, and then we had our run up in Bitcoin dominance in December of 2020, where Bitcoin was having a great time. The altcoin market looked dead, but that was the best time to buy altcoins because what followed after December 2020 was the biggest altcoin season we saw in the cryptocurrency market. It lasted just 140 days, but then altcoins went crazy. How long will this altcoin season last in 2026? Only time will tell. We have seen the first pump to higher prices for Bitcoin dominance in 2025. We have seen the decline. Bitcoin dominance has gone sideways. I believe, guys, the next decline for Bitcoin dominance is going to be one for the history books. It's going to be one that all coins are going to go crazy. A lot of altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. We're already seeing early signs of that. Over the last 1 week, altcoins are already doing better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gone up just 3.4% over the last 1 week, but a whole host of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market have given us double-digit gains over the last 1 week. If you look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart with Bitcoin trading below the $80,000 level, I still believe, guys, Bitcoin at some point in time, 2026, is going to trade between $98,000 and $110,000 from where we're currently trading right now. That will require Bitcoin pumping by more than 22% to the upside. Bitcoin has done that before. It has pumped this 22%. This time is not going to be different. Remember, guys, things can move very, very quickly in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of market participants are used to Bitcoin just moving slowly, moving in orderly fashion. But remember, bear market rallies are always the worst. Bear market rallies are always those ones that get market participants off guard, because yes, we could continue pumping to higher prices and we could pump there very, very quickly, but then again, there's always going to be that fear in the back of market participants' mind whether we'll dump to Goblin Town. The market is evenly split right now. The bulls believe we're pumping to higher prices. The bears believe we are going to see what happened in 2022 happen again, where Bitcoin had a retracement rally of 40-something percent before it eventually dumped aggressively to Goblin Town. We have the 4-year cycle believers that believe Bitcoin is going to bottom in Q4 of 2026. And right now, we are just in a relief rally. Other market participants that believe the bottom is in, expecting higher prices, expecting Bitcoin to get to $100,000. I've even had talks of Bitcoin probably getting to new all-time highs. Anything is possible in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment is flopping into fear, neutral sentiment into fear. That's a progress, because remember, guys, we are stuck in extreme fear. This time last month, we saw the cryptocurrency market down bad in extreme fear. But right now, we are seeing sentiment improve with neutral sentiment interchanging with fear. The next few weeks, guys, should see extreme fear return back to the currency market. We see some levels of the next few weeks should see extreme greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market. The more altcoins pump to higher prices, the more optimism returns back to the cryptocurrency market. The more optimism returns back to the cryptocurrency market, the more market participants are willing to buy at higher prices. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has been increasing. The last 24 hours has seen more than 99,000 traders getting liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $325 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Binance. A trader was liquidated for $10 million. He was trying to trade Ethereum. Be careful out there, guys. Bitcoin is up 16% in Q2 of 2026. Ethereum is up 8%. 8.4% in Q2 of 2026. One of the clear signals that the cycle is coming to an end is when we see Ethereum start outperforming Bitcoin. We have not gotten there yet, but remember, guys, anytime we see Ethereum running away against Bitcoin, anytime we see Ethereum having a great time outperforming Bitcoin, that's a telltale sign that maybe, just maybe, that pump is coming to an end. Right now, Ethereum trades below $2,300. We've seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,955. That was in August of 2025. Hopefully, we see Ethereum trades around the $4,000 level at some point in time in 2026. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin is up 3.18% over the last 7 days. Bitcoin currently trades below $80,000. Ethereum is down bad over the last 7 days, down 0.33%. BNB is up 3%, XRP is up 0.58% over the last 7 days, Solana is up 4%, Tron is up 6%, and we have Hyperliquid up 5.35%. Just Dogecoin, that's in the negative. Dogecoin and Ethereum in negative in the top 10 over the last 7 days. Altcoins are not dead. I believe that narrative is just to get a lot of market participants to do the wrong thing at the wrong time. The mantra, guys, is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible. The general narrative right now in the cryptocurrency markets is that altcoins are dead. We're not going to get altcoin season. Guys, altcoin season always happen at the end of the market cycle. Altcoins always pumps when the rates in the cryptocurrency market is high enough, when optimism starts returning. Right now, we have seen pessimism grip the cryptocurrency market. Slowly, that pessimism is fading. Slowly, we are seeing good vibes return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin Bollinger Band pushes key breakout as creator acts on positive signal. A new Bitcoin Bollinger Band breakout attempts on the daily chart drew mixed reactions as the Matrix creator John Bollinger reveals a fresh BTC position. Some other news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, and Bitcoin falls under $80,000 for 4 months high in weekly BTC ETF inflow may curb selling. Bitcoin hit resistance of $82,800, triggering a drop below $80,000, but a 1.1 billion weekly inflow into spot BTC ETF could slow down the sellers. The sellers have been slowing down, but we have been seeing big dumps in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has found it hard to rally past $82,000 level. I believe above the $82,000 level is where good things happen in the cryptocurrency market. Above the $82,000 level is where we see market participants start going crazy. Bitcoin exchange reserves fall to 2-year low after $8 billion exodus. Nearly 100,000 Bitcoin exited major exchanges as OTC balance tightened up and demand from accumulator addresses increased by 60%, reducing Bitcoin's liquid surprise. Is that the big whales buying the bottom? Is that the big whales getting ready for the next big run to higher prices? Bitcoin analyst says this level must break for BTC price to confirm bottom. A slowdown in profit taking and reclaiming $88,000 as support are prerequisite for Bitcoin to confirm the cycle bottom. We've gotten to the part of the pump where a lot of market participants will hesitate to get bullish till they see so and so, till they see Bitcoin cross a particular number. We have seen this multiple times in the cryptocurrency market where the bottom will come. A lot of market participants will be skeptical till we start going to higher prices. I believe, guys, above $88,000 this time around, you see a lot of FOMO in the cryptocurrency market. But at $88,000, Bitcoin would have been up around 46% from the bottom where we got to in February of 2026. If you look at how Bitcoin did in the previous bear market in 2022, yes, there was 2 different times where we thought the bottom was in, and we had one more leg down to Goblin Town. We had March period where we thought the bottom was in, Bitcoin dumped like 60%. We had a September period where we thought the bottom was in, and Bitcoin eventually went to $15,000. If you look at what happened in 2018, similar price action. But 2018 was straightforward. Bitcoin used 1 year to get to the bottom, and when we got to that bottom, we started pumping to higher prices. In 2022, Bitcoin also used 1 year to get to the bottom, and that's why I love market participants right now, expecting Bitcoin to get to the bottom again at some point in time in October of 2026. Only time will tell if the market is going to repeat the same pattern 3 times in a row. But one thing is sure, optimism is slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are getting ready for the final pump. Hopefully in 2026, where we see all coins have its own time in the sun, where we see all coins pumping aggressively to higher values. And you have to watch out, guys. The CME Group are set to launch regulated Bitcoin volatility futures. CME to launch the CFTC regulated Bitcoin futures in June, giving instructions on onshore way to trade implied BTC volatility. Historically, guys, anytime a CME product is launched, you have to watch out. There may be gather of liquidity there. We might see an exit pump there. We might see all coins pumping, Bitcoin pumping. We might see a lot of things happening there where a lot of market participants will believe we're back in the bull market. We're back to going to the moon. Don't forget the great plan, guys. The great plan is to buy as low as possible, and to sell as high as possible. The great plan is to buy when we're in Bitcoin season, which we have been over the last few weeks, and sell when we get to altcoin season, where all coins are pumping front, left, and center. Total cryptocurrency market cap sits around $2.62 trillion. A big move is coming for Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. Either I'll get a god candle to the moon or get a big dump to Goblin Town. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. What are your expectations on the cryptocurrency market over the next few days and the next few weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.